Hi, this is John Ellis with Agile Auto. Agile Auto is a fundamental used car manager playbook. Unlike anything in the market, we're not an IMS and a DMS, but we use both of their data sets to run those algorithms and AI learning models in Agile Auto and build this playbook by store, by market, and by nameplate. We solve four fundamental problems that cost dealers tremendous amount of money in this post-COVID market. The inventory allocation and up top where we help dealers determine the right amount of inventory needed on their lot to maximize their sales pace by a daily and weekly buy plan so that the inventory is coming in on time ahead of sales pace and that next month we're already set up with the perfect amount of inventory to hit next month's goal. The second problem we solve is velocity versus profitability. Cost to market and price to market are fooling dealers these days because the market's changing fast. We measure in real time all the data that's coming into the store and all the sales that are going out by age, by inventory channel management, and by channel management performance so that we can beat the dealer's market. But the only way you can do that is by having the right cars on the lot. And our inventory vehicle buy list is a buy list built specifically for your nameplate, your market, and your store. It's sorted by make, model, and trim with year range, price range, and mileage range. Most dealers know make, model, and trim, but get stuck on year on price. There are three legs to that buying stool that have to be addressed at every purchase. And then we make sure dealers know the right amount of inventory they need to buy based on their day supply goals and their turn goals for the store. We also solve for used car manager turnover, which is 24 months post COVID. This fundamental playbook can be given to any new manager or any COVID manager, any journeyman manager. And if they run this play, they'll win every month and every month of the year by following their virtual performance coach's daily action plan and watching the four pillars of used car operations. The last thing we solve for is multi-rooftop owners. If you're a multi-rooftop owner, we give you multi-store view of net sales performance by revenue and units, the store's buying performance and their trade efficiency, and also the wholesale profit and loss to make sure that we're managing inventory well. As a national used vehicle director, you can also see that we're at a demo here, but you can look at each store and see each store's plan individually, help coach, guide, and develop that used car manager as a GM, manage their individual buy list and export it to give it to the buyers, and also look at the group as a whole as a national used vehicle director or region manager and see the aggregate of everything you need to do to be successful. So come see us, agileautoinc.com, click schedule a demo. We'd love to show you your platform and your scorecard today.